Manufacturing companies are always looking for ways to improve efficiency, quality, and delivery times, or reduce the amount of paper they have on hand. Here at Andea, we connect technology and industry experience to help our clients achieve these goals. See how Woodward, an independent manufacturer of control units in the wind turbine industry, improved their processes by implementing eWorkin.
These are quality checklists, roughly about 100 pages. They are used for seriously complex equipment that wind turbine producers depend on to deliver electricity for millions of people around the globe. And we decided to trash it. But that's not the whole story. Hi, I'm Piotr Kaczak, the quality manager. At Woodward, we do make cabinets, among other great stuff. But they're not the wooden ones that you might be thinking of. Ours go into wind turbines. They control how energy is produced in the generator. As you can imagine, our equipment plays a key role in wind farms. And this way we contribute in making the world cleaner for all of us. We've been facing 3 serious challenges in our inspection process, and there is a good chance you are currently dealing with them too. First of all, there was a ton of paper. Our inspection contains nearly 1,000 checkpoints. Yearly, that's hundreds of thousands of pages to deal with. Also, our inspectors had to fill all the checkpoints and additionally a defect report. That was time-consuming and could lead to inconsistencies. Perhaps our biggest obstacle was that it took so much time to process the findings, especially from a statistical point of view. We had to change this. One day we learned about eWorkin and decided to give it a try. Nowadays, to start an inspection, our inspectors just grab a tablet, select an order from the list, and start filling in their feedback step by step. All they need is always at their fingertips, and the app ensures that nothing gets overlooked. Once the inspection is completed, a defect report is instantly sent for eWork. It provides a summary and details found. We can now easily analyze defects and share the results with others. That often triggers improvements like additional trainings. With eWorkin, we can see how our quality improves month after month. We can now quickly eliminate issues and ensure full compliance. That's why we can introduce new products faster. Our inspection process is now more efficient and our employees are happier. We have eliminated time spent on paperwork before and after inspection. Further savings come from a reduction of rework. We plan to use it in other areas and processes. With eWorkin, we have fewer errors, a streamlined workflow, and user-friendly analytics.